Henri. I'm from Elisa, International Digital Services, the mothership for camLine. It's great to see so many customers here exchanging experiences with the use of camLine products and even more broadly of the industry developments. Really exciting discussions. For us in Elisa and Elisa International Digital Services, the collaboration with customers is everything. So we do our solutions and our products for the customers, and it's great that customers can share this experience with each other through these forums, and that enables us also to have the kind of constant dialogue with all of our customers. So a great event for that.